Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So what you're going to do is open up the sliding door right here. I already took out my battery, but I got some new batteries right here from the Dollar Tree, 2 for $1.25. Pretty good deal. They're probably going to suck, but all basically you want to do is keep it from beeping. So, and it's always connected to the main power anyway, so the battery is just basically when the power goes off or whatever that you're still covered and you're safe and stuff. So I'm just going to open up my battery. Sometimes these will take AA's if you're lucky. Most of them are going to take 9 volts. This one does not have a cord in it. It's just kind of snapping. Some of them will have like the little wires hanging out. You pull it out, you connect it, the little battery pad onto the connectors, and then you put it back inside. This one does not, so hopefully this goes well. It's going to say negative and positive. Positive is going to be the big one, I believe. Yep, nope, positive is a small one. So you're just going to line it up, and then you're going to shove it back in there, and it should come back on. And then I'm going to go connect this to the ceiling right now. Let's go walk to the bedroom right now. I'm going to connect this back up, twist it in, and then we'll be good to go. But usually you can tell the one that's dead when it's beeping because it is green and red, or just fully red, or the one that's beeping if it beeps like every 60 seconds. So I'm just going to take the connector, put that back in. It's one directional. And then you're probably going to want to reset it with the house. So once you put it in, you're going to want to push this button again, hold it down to reconnect it to the house so they're all on the same thing. If there's a fire in the other room, it will signal this one. And I'll set off all of them. So I'll set off that one. I'll set off that one. Then I'll connect them all together. And then you should be good to go. So it's not beeping, but it's blinking red, which I'm not sure what that's about. All right, now it's green. Maybe it's just going through the diagnostic, but it's not beeping. That's how you change a battery. So hopefully this helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace. I guess if you read it, it says in small print, push to hush. So if it's beeping, you want to mute it and just push the button, I think, once. You should be good to go, but obviously you're going to want to replace the battery. So in case the power goes out, you're safe. But literally never seen that before. So I just thought I'd pass along the information. Good luck and happy battery switching.